All right, YouTube. Hope you folks are doing well. I'm kind of into a new little hobby, at least as long as I got these gourds, anyhow. What I've been doing was drawing a pattern on there, and then Dremel tool, and I drill out all the little holes, and then open up the bottom for one of those little teacup lights, and then it lights up the gourd through the holes and everything, kind of like a jack-o'-lantern. So I did that one yesterday, and I got this one here I'm going to do today. And I got a little more intricate of a design. Intricate? Yeah, of a design, but it's still going to be rather abstract and ununiform. I sanded it with 600 grit. It feels awesome, super smooth. But let me take a pause and then we'll get started. Not when it's wafting into your eyes. So I got a band of circles that I'm going to do all the way around. It's pretty good. One of the trickiest parts is keeping it uniform. And by that I mean the holes. Just try not to spread them out too far. All right, so I had lunch, and Julie and I cut the dog's hair, Brownie. She's got long hair, and she's always full of briars and sticks and things. So we cut it so as to make it a little better for her. So I've got a new brand of cigars here. Um, Fat Bottom Betty, it's called. I had one the other day and it was real good. Don't know if any of you seen these types of cigar cutters. It just punches out a hole in the middle, and then it's got a little button to eject the tobacco. Just got this. I thought it was pretty neat for $5. It's, ain't nothing but a thing. So I'm gonna light this up and take a few moments, and then I'm gonna get to work. Wow, that's a good cigar. All right, let me get the Dremel. So I got the circles and I did some holes on the bottom. I'm going to do some holes across the top. And then I think I might maybe do something up in here. I don't really want to go up too high because the light doesn't make it up that high. So I think I'll keep all the holes down on the lower part. But I'm not really sure what I'm going to do after I do these couple of lines. I'll have to think of something. Yeah, the brand is Yummy Bitches is the name of the cigar brand, and this cigar is called Fat Bottom Betty. But I don't know Deadwood Tobacco Company. I don't know who which one of my subscribers smokes cigars, but if you do, give it a try. Mm, it's really delicious. All right, let's do some work here. So now I got 3 rings of holes on top and the bottom. And then that line of circles that goes around. I want to do something up in here. I've seen a technique, it's called filigree, I believe, Filigree, where you just make a bunch of holes, but you make them bigger and you make them different shapes, like real abstract type circles. Ooh, nice save. So that would probably look kind of cool, like above that, do that. I could do that up the rest of the way as high as I want to go. I think I'd have to change bits though. Or I could do another design. I don't know. Um, I think I'm going to do that filigree, if I'm saying it right. Yeah. Let me get my bits. This one might work. It's not a drilling bit, or a cutting bit. It's a sanding or a grinding bit. Here's a bigger ball. That one might do. Try that. I'm going to do a test piece right here just to see. I got to cut this out later anyhow. Not much bigger. So you can see the difference. The holes are bigger and they're just a free form type of shape. So I'm going to do that. I think what I'll do is I'll do it up the rim, maybe a couple lines, and then maybe I'll do a cascading effect with them as if they're tumbling off the top onto here or something like that. I'm not really sure, but I'll definitely do. I'll go around doing these. I like the way they look. So I cut the hole. I got all the seeds out. So I got to clean up the outside a little bit. What's cool is this fits just over the lantern lights that I have out here. So I may see if it can fit on or stay on that. That'd be kind of cool. Trying to erase some of my pencil marks and things. It looks pretty sweet. So the pattern was just to get as much light out. When I put the little light inside, I want as much of it to escape as I could. So that's as I want as much light to escape as I can. So that's why there's these really big holes up here, and there's so many little holes and everything. So at night when it's lit up, it sends out all these individual beams of light, and they look really cool. Oh, fun to work on these little things. I wish I could come up with some different patterns or something. Oh, excuse me. There's something. I've seen some really extraordinary ones. Thousands of holes in them to create like a African savanna landscape, something like that. Other ones that are just completely done up with holes. I mean, every part of it, really intricate designs and things like that. I think the image I had in my head was like a southwestern motif or whatever. I wonder where the dogs went. It's really cool. I think this next summer I'm gonna grow some gourds, some different ones. These are just standard bird gourds. I mean, it came out pretty cool.